Still on the existing protocol of our pastry money-making businesses and supply, I present to you a chicken frank sausage roll made with a simple and straightforward baking methods. The recipe was carefully and specifically designed for business purposes, while the organoleptic and functional properties of this yum goodness is a menace. Kindly bake along with me as we move from scratch. Hello, it's Chinedo Vincent from salpesfoodblog.com, and we teach you how to make pastries, snacks, and lunch packs. Subscribe for more valuable food contents ahead. Here is a kilogram of flour, which is measured to be about 8 cups of flour. Then go ahead and add a tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of granulated sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, which will bring about the rising of the dough. And please do not use preservative if it is for personal consumption, but it is a necessity if it is for business, so you don't lose your money to spoilage. So I will be adding a tablespoon of the preserve. So give it a quick mix to combine to prevent air from coming in contact with some of the sensitive ingredients we have added. So I'll break the egg into the flour mixture, followed by the addition of 250 grams of margarine. Then mix to combine together. Continue mix and mix until a crumb-like texture is formed. Then begin to add your water, and I added a cup of water, but I would recommend you add your water bit by bit and mix until a hard dough is formed. Please ensure that your sausage dough is strong and as hard as possible, otherwise your sausage will lose shape. Just like so. Please transfer to your kneading table and give it a quick massage. And remember, the harder your dough, the better the look of your finished product. So allow it to rest while we prepare the sausage. I'll be using a chicken sausage for this recipe, and this is a pack of 10 sticks. You can get it from co-room, from store, or even in the market. So to prepare it, I'll be adding the sausage to my mortar, add my seasoning cube, and a teaspoon of preserve. Preserving and crushing this sausage filling is what makes them suitable for business, as they can now stand on a shelf for a longer period of time. Just take a look. Transfer to your plate and then level it up and divide into 16 different parts, because we will be making 16 sausage rolls from a pack of this sausage. But you can stick to your desire when it comes to the quantity of the roll you make from a pack of the sausage. So set it aside as we work on the dough. So I will divide the dough into 16 equal parts. Like I told you earlier, we're making 16 sausage from this 1 kg of flour. Roll each of the dough into a rectangular form and trim off the rough edges just to get it smoother. Just like so. And once you're done, you simply add up your sausage and roll. And please be careful not to throw away the sausage while rolling. It's advisable you move step by step, just like one step, then move the other step 2, and complete the next step 3, just like so. Next is to cut the edges as a way of sealing the sausage roll. This is important because an open sausage roll attracts ants, which feed on them and deposit some particles that can lead to spoilage. So if you're making it for business, endeavor to close or seal it up, okay? Repeat this wrapping process for the rest of the dough. And once you are done, transfer into your tray. Then set up your oven before now and allow to heat up. Hope you can see our sausage roll did not lose shape because our dough was strong and firm enough. Give this video a like and let me know in the comment box if you are getting value. So go ahead and egg wash for a shiner and browner look. Once you're done, transfer to your oven and bake at medium heat. And boom, our sausage is ready. You can turn the other side and bake just to have a little bit browner look, or you can choose to go with this. I think I like it this way. And be careful not to burn it, but remember, the more you bake, the lesser the moisture content and the higher the shelf life. I'm sure you like this, don't you? Or you subscribe now for more videos like this. You can add this to your business or go for an opportunity as well and make money. There is no food for a lazy man. Let's keep working and God will bless us. Please visit us at salpesfoodblog.com and don't forget to follow us in all other social media handles at Salpes Kitchen. Until I come your way next time, bye.